In this video, I'm gonna show you how to sell any product to anybody at any time with an unusual method that this Shopify store is using to make more than $700,000 every single month after just 1 year in business. Let's find out. Hey, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to sell any product online by using a method that this Shopify store that I'm gonna show you is using to make almost $1 million every single month, and the things that go into it, because I haven't really seen somebody master the art of marketing and sales this well, and I'm gonna show you all of the things that they do so you can replicate it yourself and you can make almost $1 million every single month. But before we start, I wanna invite you to my free 0 to 10,000 per month or more masterclass. The first link is down in the description. I teach you everything you need to know to get to more than 10K a month. And as always, I give out a free one-on-one consulting call directly with me in every video. If you want to win a call, all you have to do is comment secrets down below, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. We're almost at 10,000. All right, this is a store that I was talking about. They're selling a patented Ortho Pro brace support, which goes on your feet, just like this one. You've probably seen a lot of people trying to advertise this. They're obviously drop shipping it from AliExpress, or maybe they have an agent, but they're obviously drop shipping. So the way they do it is a one product landing page. They have a full general store. If you go to parisandpeaches.com, it is a full general store. This is just their one product landing page. So you can go down here and see all of the details, and we're gonna go into the beauty that is this landing page. Every single word and every single section in this page is crafted so well with the principles of marketing and the principles of sales that I'm going to show you. If you click here on sales source and go to analyze store, we can see that after a year, they're making 360,000 all the way to 700,000. I think it's a little bit more than that, because if we go to similar web, their traffic right now is 672,000, and you can see that they went massively scaled up from December. They had like 170,000. March, they kind of went down, and then April and May then just absolutely crushed it. So I'm guessing they're making about $1 million a month by this point that I'm filming this video, and their traffic comes mostly from the United States, and as always, social mostly from Facebook. As you can see here, 99% of the traffic comes from Facebook. I'm gonna show you their Facebook ad as well, because it ties in to what they're doing that makes the funnel convert so well and sell so much money of this particular product. So let's go to the Facebook ad. The main ad that they are running is this one right here, Ortho Pro support brace. Their page is Crazy Plums if you want to go ahead and spy on their page. But here, we're gonna start off the ad because I really want you to understand how they are doing this. So let's start off the ad, and it basically starts off with, this podiatrist is going to show you where your pain comes from. So it's like, okay, this is not a typical ad. This is not an ad that's showing off a product out of the sudden. This is not an ad that's showing off like, hey, 50% off, buy now. They're just trying to explain a little bit about where pain comes from, building that authority as a doctor, right? The doctor is like talking here. And if we go a little bit more, so it really gives you scientific facts, relieving the pain, boom, boom, boom. And now we're gonna see a little bit of the ad, and I wanna take you to the particular place in the ad that really hits that emotion. We're gonna discuss the particular details about this. So here, it just basically keeps on hammering that scientific point, building as much authority as possible. This video in particular is very long, almost 7 minutes long. And here it says, giving you instant relief and making you feel like you walk on air. Now they're giving you that feeling, and then they show off the product right there. So first, they give you the feeling, hey, you wanna experience instant relief, making you feel like you walk on air. Here's the product. After 2 minutes and 30 seconds of showing off data and showing off proof and authority, then they show you the product, which I thought was amazing. And here it's Ortho Pro brace. Gave us an inside look, so they're making it seem like they don't even own the product. So this particular page is making it seem like the product is this magical thing that the doctors created, but the page is just trying to inform you. So that's the really beautiful part that I saw about this. And then in the end, it's just basically explaining all about the product, why it works, why it helps you be better, and just explaining all about the product. I thought this was absolutely beautiful. Then it takes you to this page that basically informs you first about the actual problem that you're facing, and you want to buy this product to solve that problem. So it says, what is plantar fasciitis? And it explains very in detail what this is. And then it really doesn't show you the product until you understand what it's going to solve. So they really hammer on to that problem, and then it basically tells you a little bit about the product, shows you the product. So what is the unusual method that they're using here? They're creating massive credibility and authority first. That's the first thing they do. They show you the doctor, they show you all this medical things, all this data, and they're creating massive authority. So you trust that brand, you trust that page first, and then they show you the product. They're also creating this you're missing out, or FOMO, which means fear of missing out. Basically, you're missing out on this particular product that's revolutionizing the world pretty much. And now you're gonna see here in the actual page, right here, we can go to more and more people are gaining knowledge and now empowered to end their foot pain. So it's really putting you outside of those people that are ending their foot pain and getting empowered, right? All of these movements about empowering people and giving the right of the person to really do whatever they want. This is putting you away from that, telling you, hey, if you don't buy this, you're not taking advantage of that sense of empowerment and having a better life. So it really hits that feeling so well. It's not trying to sell you a product, it's trying to sell you a feeling. And that's the beautiful part about this. You're buying for emotion and you're justifying it for logic. So they're essentially trying to sell you a product that anybody out there can just try and sell, like, hey, special, 50% off, cure your pain. No, they're doing it by emotion, by really making you feel, okay, if I don't buy this, I'm missing out from all of this. You know, I'm not walking on air. I'm not following the data. I'm not following the scientific studies. Let me go ahead and buy it. Because people buy products because of emotion and they justify it with logic. You buy a product because you feel that it's gonna make you better, it's gonna make you look better, it's gonna make your life more improved or better, and then you justify like, oh, I needed that, or that's gonna make this better, or that's gonna make that. So you buy because of emotion, and then you justify that with logic. There's a perfect example. And then they're also creating the hope effect. The hope effect basically means create a better lifestyle sold with that product. So you're not selling a product, you're selling a lifestyle. And this is what the beautiful part about this page is, just creating a lifestyle, right? It's just creating that sense of walking on air, on not having pain anymore. So right now it's just telling you promotes body alignment, and this is the plantar technology, right? They're giving it very fancy names, just absolutely well done. And then it says suited for all kinds of foot pain. And the really beautiful part is the testimonials. Right here it says, I can say I'm so happy I got this. My foot feels so much better in the morning. I don't feel pain. So they're really putting you away from that of, hey, you're feeling all this pain, you're suffering, you need to do something about this. This is the way out. This is the hope. It's not a product. It's not solving, it's just not a product that you buy everywhere. It's solving a massive problem that you have, which is that pain, that sense of not living life to the next level. That is what that product is selling. Just absolutely beautiful marketing. And then you're escaping from something or running towards something. This is how you can sell any product. It's teaching people or showing people how you can escape out of something, or you can run towards something. So when you're selling a product, make sure to really emphasize the problem that people want to escape. Let's say it's like the car cleaner that we talked about in the previous video. What's the problem? Your car is always dirty. You're spending so much time on your car. Make that really, really painful. Like, make that sense of the car is not clean, or the car takes a lot of time to clean. Very, very, very painful. And then you sell the solution. Then you basically tell them, hey, you can escape from that if you buy this next level product. And then the last thing, people don't buy features, they buy feelings. What a lot of you guys do is you focus on specifications and on features. You're not focusing on feelings. You need to focus on what the product delivers to them, not how. And that, what the product delivers, is basically a feeling, a hope, a new level of life. And I think this brand does it absolutely well. So right here it says, these compression cushions saved my life. And that is key right there, right? That's key, because it's telling you, hey, this product can actually save your life. This product can give you a better life. It's not just a product with a cool 2-day shipping, whatever. They don't even talk about that. They just talk about the lifestyle that you can achieve by buying it. And I thought that was absolutely key. People don't buy features, they buy feelings. And a relevant quote here is, the amount of money you make in this business or in any business is in direct proportion to how much you understand your target audience's emotions, pains, hopes, and dreams. What is the emotion right here? I don't feel like I'm enjoying life enough because my foot hurts all the time, or my feet hurt, my back hurts, whatever it is. The pain, obviously the foot pain, and the hope and the dream is to have a better life through that particular product. They really hammer it on especially on the ad. They really like right here. His energy lasted all day. He said his mind is sharper than it's been in years. He feels younger. He feels better. His posture is better. They're creating that sense of a next level life. And even though it's a 7-minute video, it's just absolutely well crafted and absolutely well done. So yeah, right here, it can basically say every other day there's a new product claims to help my back pain, but they all suck. This one is the one that actually helps my back pain. And once I gave it a try, my back pain disappeared. Again, that sense of another level of life. It's not just a product, it's a feeling, it's a hope, it's selling that hope. If you understand your audience's hopes and dreams and what they want out of life and also their pain, you're able to really sell anything, and you can become the master copywriter. You don't even need to hire someone to write your copy. You don't need to hire someone to write your ads. You need to understand your audience, their hopes, their dreams, what do they want out of life, and that is how you get to that level of, basically getting to a level of $700,000 a month in less than a year, and it's probably going to be about $1 million a month, $2 million a month, $5 million a month. Who knows how much money they're going to make with this strategy and this excellent market. So before we go on, I do want to congratulate Cole Kruger for being the winner of past videos consulting call. If you want to win a free consulting call with me, comment secret, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Another thing that you want to look at is also Dollar Shave Club. It's also a brand that really emphasizes this very, very, very well. Look at the headline right here. Get ready to look, feel, and smell your best. Look at that word, feel. They're hinting at the feeling that you can get when you buy from Dollar Shave Club instead of any other brand. This brand makes absolutely a killing, right? They make like millions and millions of dollars. The company was sold for like $1 billion, and it's basically really hammering on how you feel. So they never show off the feature of like the blade is faster, you can shave in 10 seconds. No, it's about how you feel as a man. Do you feel better when you use this? Do you feel better when you use other brands? No, you feel better when you use Dollar Shave Club. And I think that is the perfect way to sell any product, is to really hammer on, hey, you can buy a feeling, you can buy hope, you can buy a better lifestyle. That is how you can sell absolutely anything to anyone is tapping into that human psychology. And human psychology is really like the key to selling and why people buy things. So what to do next? Start selling your products by tapping into that human psychology, that human mindset. And also something that I forgot to mention is that this page was also created in Shopify Pages. So the last product or the last store that we reviewed was Shopify Pages. In this case, it's also this template right here. I'm gonna pull it up, right here, popular template, this long form order page. It's also the same one. If you look at it closely, it's pretty much the same template right here. So that's pretty cool. And then the bundles in the bottom, you can buy 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs, and then they get the most value out of you with the 3 pairs. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, amazing value pack videos. We're almost at 10,000 subs. I think by the time I post this video, today is Tuesday, but I'm posting this on Thursday. So this will be posted on Thursday. I think we're going to hit the 10,000 mark before that. So thank you so much. I love you guys. Mwah. Thank you so much for that. Now that you saw that, if you want to know the top 22 products to sell on Shopify right now, to sell in the whole market in 2019, check out the video right here, the top 22 products to sell in 2019. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, comment secrets down below for a free call. And thank you so much for 10,000. I love you guys. You are the best. I care for you. And this is crazy. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'll see you guys in the next one.